everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to assemble my new 3D printer and use it. Okay, now I took all the parts out. Let's take the last part out. Now let's start assembling. So for the first step, as you see, these are connected. So stick them on. It will come with 8 nails, 2 extra, and a screwdriver. So take the screwdriver and 6 of the nails and start screwing. Don't forget, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Okay, now we're almost done with screwing in the 3D printer. We're done. Now we're gonna attach this. So you see these big 4 dots? Keep them outside, not inside. Okay, we're done with the first one. Now let me assemble the second. Okay, we're done. Now we're gonna attach the top. Go pretty slowly. So now let's attach the second one since we finished the first. Go slowly. No break it. When you're done, it comes with a color. So take this ink. You can call it whatever, I call it ink. Okay, so assemble this. By mistake I did it too close, so I would need to fix it. Now I fixed it. So now let's add this. When we click it in, which we finished, the end of the color and the start in the 3D printer thing, drop it. Now it's can color. We finished building it. Okay, since we're done building it, now we're gonna use it. So this one that says power, plug this in. Now your black that comes with it, simply attach it. And it's on. Now we'll try to go to the home, so let's click home. It comes with a flash memory. So at the back of the flash memory, you'll find this. These yellow lines have to be attached in here. Then tap it. Now you can 3D print. Now we'll insert the filament, but we have to bring it to the top. How will we bring it to the top? Place your finger for 3 seconds. Now to insert the filament. Click the positive ones. Now insert it. Don't go too hard. After we press the positive, we wait for a minute. After a minute, we can continue feeding it. Can you see the color dropping? Now we will insert the flash. Only the yellow side. The yellow side will look front. click it. After we insert the flash, we press the play button and wait for a minute while it heats up. As you can see right now, it will start printing. You can see now it's 3D printing, and that's how to build and use your 3D printer. Okay, now my rocket ship is complete. Let me slowly remove it. I cracked it out of its base. This is just an extra base. So if it's stuck, there's a mattress. It's flexible. And it's a magnet, the mattress. So just simply add it back. Bye.